welcome to the series of Gen AI. I have started a new series for all. In this series, we are going to see the all the things related to generative AI. In this series, I am going to teach you the everything related to generative AI, like diffusion model, large language models, what is agentic AI, all that things. In today's video, we are going to see how you can use our diffusion models or image generation models to generate images. This is just practice video for you for initial purpose. In this video we are just look how you can generate image. In future we are going to see how you can create your own custom workflows using Comfy UI and diffusion model to generate your own custom images. Okay, let's start. First of all, you want to go on Tensor.Art. Tensor.Art is a website in that lot of image models are you can try it on Tensor.Art. Okay, simply go on Tensor.Art and click on create. Okay, you can see my some past images that I can generate using Tensor.Art. Okay, I'm just cut right now. First of all, you can see there is a 4 different way to generate image. First is text to image, second is image to image, and image to video, or text to video or image to video. Okay, and you can select here different models to generate image. You can see there are multiple several models are listed in Tensor.Art. You can select any model to generate your image or video. Okay, you can see there are several models or hundreds of models are listed. For now I am going to use flux model, and in flux model this configuration I am going to use. Okay, you just click on select. Okay, and use recommended, just click it and you are ready. Here you can select your dimension of your image. After that there is a sampling step, guidance scale, schedule. For now just ignore. In future we are going to see in detail what was the everything and how you can use to generate all these images and what this effect. There are different upscale and add detail. There are the different ways, layer diffusion. Okay, for now we are just select a model and our square, and you can just keep it sampling step up to 23 in your 20. Okay, this is a free version, that's why you are not cross about 25 sampling. Free version is sufficient, it gives 80 credit every day. It is more than sufficient, and we can this is just try to prompt anything. Okay, let's see. We just prompt a car in the cloud with the fly mode. Okay, let's see how it generates. Okay, it takes some time for generating the image. Before generating the image we just see the some another just what is control net. Okay, control net is one of the key things in image generation model. Okay, what is the control net? Control net is you can restrict and model which type of image you want to require. In flux model you can see the 4 control net. The first is open pose. In open pose, suppose you want to give any pose to image model, just stick to that. Okay, then this type of from this image open pose will this select. Okay, and the second control net is scanning. Scanning will take the outline of any image. Using that image you can generate, using that outline you can generate another same outline image. The third thing is depth. In depth control net, in depth control net the image will be take in which part the more depth are in. And the fourth is IP adapter. Okay, in IP adapter, what is IP adapter? Right now just ignore it. In future we are going to see in detail what is IP adapter. Okay, in short, IP adapter is used to for consistent image. That's it. In future we are going to see the detail. Okay, let's see what's our image generate. I don't know what's happening right now, why it is showing this. Okay, let's try to download. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay, you can just explore the another models and you can try it out on yourself. There are the different models. This is just for practice. In future we are going to see in detail how you can create your own flow, custom workflow, and use that to generate image. Okay, before generating the image, I want to give you a today's task. You want to do try to different generate image. Just wait for generating image. I don't know what's happening, why it not showing the image. Okay, let's see what's my past image generation, and on that you can check. Really, I don't know what's happening. The issue is happening with me first time. Okay, like, okay, this was the image. What was the prompt I give? Okay, if you are, suppose I am just giving this type, only this prompt. After that I am just click on this icon. Okay, it will generate the detailed prompt. Using my suggestion is, don't try it first time, try to learn how to prompt. In future we are seeing the how you can write the better prompt, but right now you just try out from yourself. Okay, your job is try to generate. Okay, you can see this image, try to reprompt this image. Okay, don't take this, try to reprompt. Okay, the second image is this. Also for this image you want to reprompt and try to generate. And third image is, okay, this third image you want to try to reprompt and generate same type of image. Okay, and explore the Tensor.Art, and you can get it into the first step in image generation models. That's it, and we just